My dress is pretty good, but I want it to be more perfect. Look, there's no curve at all. What to do now? I have a way. First, cut the straps on either side of your shirt by using scissors. Please cut it carefully and keep the middle part. These are two pads to give you a rounder chest. Then, glue the candlestick to the top of the foam. Then turn the sponge over to attach it to the chest of the dress. Unexpectedly, it seems that your breasts will become more neat and attractive. The guys will gasp in surprise. It's different, isn't it? And the excess felt when cutting the bra will make the neck ring. Stick a little candle glue on the small ball, and then stick it on the belt. Make turns with all the baby cubes. Then put it on your neck. It will form a personal highlight. It looks pretty, isn't it? When you suck up all the water in the glass, what can you do with a straw? It's an organic waste, so think of a way to make use of it. It is a contribution to environmental protection. Take a thin piece of paper and draw on your feet to take advantage of all the straws. You have to put it evenly on the paper. Next, place another sheet of paper on it and use an ironing iron to press down the straw because the iron temperature will remain the same when passed through a thin sheet of paper. Then remove the top layer of paper and use scissors to cut the straw into 2 feet that fit your foot and cut the rest into 2 pieces to make straps, okay? You can use glue to attach the straps to the sandals. Hold it tightly. You don't want to go when it suddenly breaks, right? In the same way, you can make most of your accessories to make you stand out, and above all, the way you do will contribute to reducing organic emissions. You see, these are really beautiful, colorful jewelry, and don't forget to join us for more creative stuff too. The creations are not only for girls, but guys can also be applied to create awesome accessories for themselves. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. That will give us more motivation to keep going with you.